It's 2024 and remote jobs are quite common these days. Companies hiring for remote roles have been tremendously increasing since 2023. This year, it is estimated that remote jobs will see a surge of more than 19%. Traditional work from office jobs are going to see a decline of more than 33%. So it's a good news for people who want to work in a remote role. But how to get into a remote job? Is it so easy to get into a remote role? Let me explain you how you can land into a remote job in 2024. I have been working remotely since last 3.5 years. Even in my current job, my role is completely remote based, so I don't need to go to office every single day. But yeah, if you want to land into remote job, then you should definitely watch this video. I will share how you can get into a remote job on different platforms that you can search for remote roles. The first thing, if you want to get into a remote job, you need to make yourself flexible. So that is the first thing that companies will look into. Some people might find internet and connectivity issues, so if you feel that your home will support internet and connectivity, then ultimately you can be eligible for remote roles. Because I see some people, they were actively looking for remote roles, but they don't have enough infrastructure. So even though they land into a remote job, sometimes because of the connectivity and network issue and poor connectivity during meetings, people will see that as a drawback and ask them to come to office. So make sure that you are not in that situation. Then what you need to do is, like, there are multiple ways that you can apply for remote job. The first way is through LinkedIn. Make sure you have a LinkedIn profile. So if you search for jobs in LinkedIn, let's suppose I'm searching for digital marketing roles and I'm selecting country. Let's suppose you are searching for digital marketing roles in India. See, there were many options in the job filter. The other option is remote. So it was added to LinkedIn a few months back because people are searching for remote jobs. So you can select like on-site jobs or hybrid jobs or remote jobs. So if you want a completely remote job, just search for remote. You will see all the remote jobs that companies are hiring for. It's a very great feature by LinkedIn, and many of the jobs in LinkedIn, 99% of the LinkedIn jobs are trustworthy. So you can blindly apply for the jobs that you feel are a good match to your profile. So this is one way that you can apply for remote jobs easily. And the other way is, there were many other websites. The first one is Flex Jobs. Here you will find remote jobs related to many of the tech roles. So you can find jobs in across the world. There is no limit that you need to be present at a particular location. No, you can apply for jobs across the world. So that's a good news here. And second company is Wellfound. It was previously Angel.co. It was renamed as Wellfound. Even here, like many of the tech job, many of the software related roles, you will find jobs here. Again, the good news is you can find jobs across the world, so there will be less competition. And other website is justremote.co. So it is also a website where you will see jobs related to almost all of the things, especially if you're marketer or if you're someone who is working on sales or business development. You will find many such roles in justremote.com. The last one I'm going to suggest is remote.co. So remote.co is a website which is similar to the previous one. You will find many such jobs irrespective of A grade jobs or B grade jobs or C grade jobs or leadership positions. You will find all such jobs across the world here. These are all the 5 websites that you can use to find your dream remote job. So this is going to be easy in the coming months, because companies are adapting to this working model. So many were preferring work from home because, like, they can save a lot. They can save money that they'll spend on cabs or food outside, etc. The other thing is work-life balance. People prefer working at home, more flexible, because they can spend time with their family and they can manage both. So it's more convenient for people. The other thing is you can work from anywhere. You don't need to sit at home or sit at office. You can just roam around the country or across the world, and you can sit and work from anywhere in the world. So this is another advantage. For someone who is looking for a remote job, I believe this video would definitely help you. And again, like, make sure you are fit for the remote job. Make sure you are flexible wherever you are. Then only it will be easy for you. Even though you're selected for job, if you're not able to meet their expectations, it will make you land into a problem. So never make yourself sit in that situation. If you feel anyone else would benefit from this video, please share this video in network. Also, if you are a new visitor to my channel, please subscribe to the channel so that you will get many such videos. Thank you for watching.